Robert.
What's good?
What's good, nigga? What's up?
Just chilling, you know, hella blown.
Yup, nigga.
About to hit this bitch up right quick.
Yeah, light be hella bright. Nigga. Why you so bright, light? Cause what would it be? What kind of phone did this be?
The bright light one.
That Samsung Galaxy phone.
It's hella bright.
But it's just the Attain. It's not the Galaxy X3.
It's blinding me right now.
Just gotta deal with that medium shit. It's okay.
I'm getting blinded.
It's like $200. It's okay. Set the lights hella bright though. Light up your light, bitch.
Yeah, you won't be able to see straight.
See, that's black skin right there. And some of it's brown. Right there is brown. And then you got that black skin right there.
That's a ratchet ass.
Nah, he just hating on a nigga.